Hello, my dear teacher. In the cartoon Daniel in the Park. My name is Andrea Carolina Rosero Pazmiño. I study Licenciatura en Pedagogía Infantil in the 2 semester. In the presentation in the cartoon Daniel in the Park. Cecilia is preparing breakfast for Daniel to go to the park to play with his friends. He finished breakfast and left home very happy with his ball. On the way, he met his friend Matthias, and they walked together to the park. In the park, they met many friends and played a game. They made 2 teams and faced each other. Finally, Daniel's group won the soccer game. They returned home very happy to tell his mother about him. Thank you. See you, teacher. Bye bye.